Hello all, this is NZScruffy playing on Empire Minecraft EMC. I'm just going to go through two things in this tutorial, the feature signs and the new locations system. So I've got a few examples here. What I might do is just quickly show you how to do a basic teleport sign, because that's probably what most of you want to know, and then I'll just go and explain a bit more about the different ways you can use the signs or things you can do with them. So basically a teleport, teleports can be triggered by either right clicking it, the sign, or by a pressure plate or a button. To create a teleport, first you want to go to wherever you want to teleport to, face the direction that you want to be facing when you teleport in, and type res tp sign, and then pop up and chat down here, sign location set. Now you just got to go place a sign somewhere for it. So if we go over here, generally with teleport signs and stuff you will probably want to put it under a pressure plate, something like that. So we just put a sign 2 blocks down, place a sign, write teleport on the top line, and then place a pressure plate above it. And now as soon as we walk onto that pressure plate, it will activate that sign and teleport us to the location, and there you go. So you can also use, say, you can put a button there, press the button, takes you to the location as well, or you can just right click the sign as well. So if I just right click that, nope, there you go. Sorry, couldn't right click it with a button in my hand. So that's basically how you do a teleport sign. Now moving on, we've got a message sign, feature sign here, and then over here we've got two RTS signs. So that's the residential teleport system sign. This one here will teleport the player to a residence number. This one here was going to teleport them to a location like we just did just before. So we'll start with the message sign. Basically what you've got is you've got a chest with a book and quill, or written book, either or, and in it you've got your message. The message can be up to 3 lines or 256 characters maximum, whichever comes first. You don't need to sign the book, you can just throw it in there. That goes in slot 1. Above the chest you place a sign with just message on the first line, like so, and that's done. So whenever you activate that sign you'll get the message either by pressing the button or a button above it, wherever, or a standing on the pressure plate will also activate it, and that just puts into chat whatever you have written into the book. Okay, moving on, we've got an RTS sign here. So this will teleport a person to the residence that's written on the teleport sign. So if we just go down here, so I've set this up to teleport to residence 10023. I'll show you how to set the sign up. Teleport on the top line. On the second line, just the residence number that you're going to. So in this case 10023. And again that can be triggered by either a pressure plate or a button. So if we press this button, and it teleports us to the spawn point of this residence, which happens to be the same one that we're already on. Next we've got the RTS sign that teleports you to a set location within the residence. Now this can only teleport you inside the residence that you're on, not to another one. So just like before, you've set a res tp sign point, and then you've put your sign down, stand on the pressure plate, and it teleports you to wherever that point was that you set. Pretty straightforward. Another thing to note is that you can set unlimited amounts of these signs, and they all just point to the last TP sign point that you designated. So in this case it's actually slightly different. The other thing is we can just right click that sign. Yep, I told you that already, didn't I? And it'll take us there. So that's basically your feature signs, messages and teleports. What's cool is you can actually combine these. So you can put a message sign, a book in a chest, and when you stand on the teleport or activate the teleport, it will give you the message and teleport you to whatever location. So if we just add a chest and a book, so that one, so we've got a random message in there, put that into the first slot of the chest. Now if we activate this teleport, it will also give us a chat message there as well. So that's pretty cool. Next we have the new locations system. So these are, again, these are just teleports, but cool thing about this is you can teleport to any residence, so from anywhere in town to the location that you set. So basically to set a location, if I just stand on this one, to set a location you just type that, res location set, so let's do that, res loc set, we'll call it here. So the name of this location is going to be here. So in the chat there it tells you how you can use it. You can either use it by simply visiting that location using /v, the residence number, which is 10023, and the name of the teleport, which is here, and it teleports us to exactly where we're standing. Or you can put that on a sign, 10023 at the name of the teleport. You can also use /home, whatever residence you're in, and the name of the teleport. So if I just run over here, you can see that I'm going to teleport over there, home 3 here, and boom. Okay, so once you've got set a location, to set up the teleport, it's just the same as doing a RTS sign teleport, except that on the second line you put the residence number, at, and the name of the location teleport that you named. Teleport, residence number, at, name of the teleport, which is here. There we go. So we can activate that with a button or a pressure plate, whatever, and it teleports us. Cool thing about this is you can teleport to other residences. So this one here I've set up to teleport you to residence 10022 at location name hello. So I've already set that up, so let's just click that and it will take us there, and there you go. So now we're on a different residence. Yeah, so obviously you can teleport using /v as well. So if I teleport back to residence 10023 at location 1, takes us back to here. So that basically sums it up. You've got your message sign, your RTS teleports, which can be combined with the message signs, and you've got your new location signs. One thing to note about these is that you're limited on how many locations you can set. Non-supporters get 1 location. Diamond supporters get 50 locations. Other supporters get something in between that. If you click on the link to the thread for those, you'll get more information on how many locations you can set. The RTS signs or feature signs, you can have unlimited, so you can set as many of those as you like, doesn't matter. So that pretty much sums it up. Cheers.